Hello, this is Steven Johnson here. Today I got myself an arcade stick for the Xbox 360, and the PlayStation 3 arcade stick I'm going to get is going to be next month. So this is the Quantum 1 arcade stick for the Xbox 360, and for the PS3 one I'm going to buy it next month. So this is for the Xbox 360. This is individual. This one is PC compatible for any PC games and Xbox 360, so I'm going to open this and unbox this. And also you have the front of the instructions. It says Xbox 360, they put a label over it. This is kind of like the nicest thing I've ever had. I never had an arcade stick in the first time before. I always played in the arcade, so this one looks like the black one for the PS3. I'll show you the instructions, so I'm going to open this now. I'm going to open this right now. And I'm going to go to tournaments tomorrow, so I'm going to compete. There's phone. There's some extra buttons. And there's the arcade stick gates. And there's the buttons, the clean cloth and everything. Also the instruction manual. And the stick itself. Let's take off this side. Sorry. I just turned off the music by accident by that stick. Just take this one out. Take that out. This is for like the holding standard things, but you can take them off with this thing here and this one here. I'm going to take this off. Take this off here. I'm thinking about modifying my stick, but nah. I'll do it some other time, so. Move this out of the way. This one has like the stick itself. This is one of my favorite buttons. I always use these buttons to Qanba or some color buttons. Looks like this little square one. This one to start, the home button, the turbo, the mode, and the select. There's the thing for the connect to your Xbox 360 and close your PC. These are the handles you can pull by this side here. So like using your lap. There's on two sides. This is made by Qanba. So if you really do love Qanba, please give it a subscribe to Steve Johnson YouTube channel, Steve Johnson. Subscribe to my channel, or make a comment about my video unboxing. So this is Steve Johnson, and peace. I'll be playing some fighting games for the tournament tomorrow of Ultra 4 and Blaze Blue Portal Cosmos on my PS3 controller. This is Steve Johnson, and I'm signing out, and peace.